Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to apply for the Ergo regional scholarship. So what you're going to do is you come to ergo.it. When it brings you here for students, you're going to choose this option, and then you're going to see like the guide for freshmen. You just click on apply, and then here you have to choose the university. Okay, so I'm using a student, an incoming student of the University of Bologna, so I'm going to choose Bologna. And do is you go here, and then you choose students with university access credentials. Then you come here and then so you fill in with your details. So then you come here, you have that of the personal data and economic data. Before you can fill the economic data, you need to fill the personal data section. But then I am not going to fill it because I've allowed the student to fill it himself with his details. So what you guys are going to do is you're just going to fill your details in that section. It just contains like your name, your surname, your sex, like where you live at, your city, like details about you. So you just fill that, and then you're going to have like your address as well and all of that. And you're also going to have a summary of it on your student page. So yeah, you guys need to do that before you can move on. You will not be able to move on to fill the economic data if you have not filled the fee reduction form. Okay, let's go on to the filling of the form. Then you come here, then you come here, you just choose what applies to you. So are you married? If you are, you choose yes, otherwise you choose no. The second question, you also choose no, you're not an independent student. If you are, you choose yes. Then the last part you choose no, and then you move forward. Then here, if you're an independent student and then you do receive like an income as stated there, then you're going to choose yes, otherwise you choose no. Then you move forward. Are you orphan of both parents? If you are, you choose yes, otherwise you choose no. Then you move forward. Then here, you kind of like you add the details of your family members. So the number of family members that you have, with the exception of you. So if you have like 3 brothers, 5 sisters, like you just include it here, and then you select the relationship, like the person, who that person is. So let me show you. So after you're done saving, that's how it's going to be. Basically, a family of 7 without the candidate that is applying for included. But then if it's included, it's going to be a family of 8. I hope you guys got it. So you fill it to what is true to your family. Then after you're done, you move forward. So here, you check the options and you select what applies to you. But then with the candidates that I'm filling for, I'm going to choose no selection because like the number of siblings he have with he included, they are more. Okay, and the options here is up to 5. So I'm going to choose no selection. Then I'm going to choose second. Just read and look at the option that applies to you. When you're done, then I move. So you come here, asset and real estate owned abroad. So if your family own like a property abroad, then you click on yes, otherwise you choose no, then you move down. If you do have properties, you tap and add the properties, and then incomes or assets abroad. If you guys do earn income, what you're going to do is you tap here, and then you select like who the person is, if the person owns asset, and the total income, and then the country. Okay, so if you also do earn income, then like you're also going to include your details there. then you just, ensure you include all the details. If you want to modify, then you just click on modify, and then you modify anything you have to modify. So with all the details that you've included, you can see like the information that they're giving you. And if everything, you cross check and see if everything is correct, then you go to forward, then you come here. So you preview every single thing to confirm if you're sure. If you're not sure and what opportunity to come and change things, you can click on do not confirm. But then otherwise, you click on confirm. Then here I'm going to go to forward. Then here I'm going to include the university details. So you select no on all the options, then you go forward. Then you come here, your field. And then you move forward. Then you come here, the year of course you're going to enroll at. It's first year, so you choose one. You fill this part if your year of first enrollment is different from your year of actual enrollment, but I'm going to leave that. Then you come to type of enrollment is regular course. You move ahead. Then your degree grade. Then you're going to state what applies to you. Then did you earn? Here you choose no. Then you move forward. Go forward. And then here you're going to request for the benefits. Scholarship and full fee exemption, yes. And would you like to convert part of your scholarship amount into prepaid catering service vouchers? So basically, you choose if you want that, then you click on yes. Otherwise, you choose no. Then okay. You come here, subsidies for the catering service. Click on no or click on yes depending on your situation. Basically, you decide on what you feel in this section. So then you come and you click on forward. So I like this option, so I had to come back and fill this. So you go on forward, then you come here. Click on forward. So you come to credit methods, and then here you don't have to include any details since they're not ready, but then you click on prepaid personal card to be issued. This just go to forward. So you read everything and ensure that the details that you've entered are correct. Then and in here you're going to confirm, okay. But then for this particular student, I'm not going to confirm the information because some of the informations that I included are not true to him. Like it does not yet have the family declaration document, so I'm not going to confirm this. But then if you do have your family declaration document, then you can confirm the applications. So in this case, I am going to click do not confirm so that the data is not stored on the system. So after you're done confirming, what you're going to do is the next step is you have to go and confirm some details. And let me show you. You're going to go here. You can see these 6 fields, okay, but then you're supposed to confirm that of the first 2, okay. So you just click on this, the benefit that you have requested, and then what you're going to do is they're going to send you an email with a pin code. You copy it, you paste it, and then you confirm the benefit request that you've made, and also that of the reduction based on your EASE. You also have to confirm it. So when you click on it like this, when I click on it, let me show you guys. When I click on it, it brings me here because I actually did not submit the student's application. So if I submitted it, it will just show me the page where I need the confirmation pin. So you click on this, and then after you are done clicking on it, they'll send you the pin code in your email. You copy it, paste it, and then you confirm. Okay, so after you are done with this confirmation, the next thing, you are done with the application, but then the next step that is left is the uploading of documents. Okay, the documents that you've declared.